Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs. Welcome to Tokyo Disney Sea, and we can confidently say it is one of our favorites for many reasons. Thrilling rides, fantastic nautical-themed zones, entertaining activities and attractions, and more. The children in us simply can't get enough of the wonder and magic Disney Sea offers. To help you experience a smooth and unforgettable first visit, here are some important tips and things to know before embarking on this wonderful journey. How to get to Tokyo Disney Sea. Despite having Tokyo in its name, Disney Sea is actually located in Urayasu City, Chiba, just outside Tokyo, overlooking Tokyo Bay. This maritime-themed park is docked within Tokyo Disney Resort, along with its older sibling Tokyo Disneyland, It's very accessible from downtown Tokyo, and the travel time is 30 to 45 minutes. The nearest train station is Junior Maihama Station. From this station, you have two options. Walk. As you exit the station, turn left and then take a 20-minute walk to the Tokyo Disney Sea entrance. Via monorail. Walk for about 2 minutes from the station to Resort Gateway Station. Then take the Disney Resort line to Tokyo Disney Sea Station. The fare for the monorail ride is 300 yuan for adults and 150 yuan for children. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs. From Shinjuku Station, take the Junior Kuo line bound for Tokyo or the Junior Marunouchi line bound for Ikebukuro. Get off at Tokyo Station. The fare is yen 210. At Tokyo Station, transfer train to Junior Keiyo line bound for SOGA. Finally, alight at Junior Maihama Station. The fare is yen 230. Fare, yen 440. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. From Tokyo Station, take the Junior Keiyo line bound for Soga, Kaihimakuri, or Kazusa Ichinomiya. You can also take the Junior Musashino line bound for Fuchu Hamachi. Whichever train line you choose, you have to alight at Junior Maihama Station. Fare, yen 230. From Ueno Station, take the Tokyo Metro Hibiya line bound for Nakameguro. Get off at Hachibori Station. The fare is yen 180. At Hachobori Station, transfer train to Junior Keiyo line bound for Soga, Kaihimakuri, or Kazusa Ichinomiya. Alternatively, you can also get on the Junior Musashino line bound for Fuchu Hamachi. No matter which train line you take, you need to alight at Junior Maihama Station. The fare is yen 230. Fare, yen 410. Where to get Tokyo Disney Sea tickets? There are many types of tickets for Tokyo Disney Sea: single-day used ticket, fixed date and time passports, and limited period ticket. Since we want to maximize our time inside the park, we will only focus on single-day used ticket. The other two might be cheaper, but they are only available at certain times or seasons. Alright, single-day use ticket is also called one-day passport. Guests carrying this type of ticket get to enjoy Tokyo Disney Sea from its opening time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Disney Sea ticket rates? Note that the ticket rates below may change without prior notice. Also, the prices vary depending on the season and the day of the week. Point 1 today passport regular guests. Adult, 18-year-old and above. Yen 7,900 to yen 10,900. Junior, 12 to 17-year-old. Yen 6,600 to yen 9,000. Child, 4 to 11-year-old. Yen 4,700 to yen 5,600. One today passport PW dis. Adult, 18-year-old and above. Yen 6,500 to yen 8,700. Junior, 12 to 17-year-old. Yen 5,300 to yen 7,200. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. How can I maximize my time? Here's a good strategy. Get a fast pass for your top for attractions. This is, in my opinion, the best way to approach this. Before the trip, research and identify your top 6 attractions. Now, get a map of the park and rearrange your top 6 according to their location. Your number 1 attraction should be near number 2, and so on. Come to the park early. The earlier you arrive, the more rides you'll enjoy. Once inside, go straight to your number 1 attraction and get a fast pass for it. Check the assigned time you should enter that attraction and the time you can get another fast pass. While waiting, queue up for your number 2 attraction. When you're done, enjoy the other attractions nearby. When it's your time to get another fast pass, you'll see the time on your first fast pass. Go to your number 3 attraction and get another fast pass. Once you have your second fast pass, go to your number for attraction and queue up. Just repeat the process. Of course, don't forget to return to the attractions you got fast passes for when it's time. Also, be mindful of certain schedules, especially of the parade and the fireworks display. Can I bring outside food into Disneyland a Disneysia? Why, yes, but you must consume them at designated picnic areas located outside the park but near the entrance. They have tables and chairs for those who want to bring their own lunch. As of September 2018, however, drinks in cans, egg glass bottles, and alcoholic drinks, regardless of container, are prohibited. We recommend that you just buy onigiri rice balls because they're easier to eat and don't require utensils. They also aren't that hard to carry. Are selfie sticks or tripods allowed inside Disneyland a Disneysia? No. The use of monopods, unipods, tripods, or selfie sticks are strictly prohibited inside the Disneyland or Disneysia. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.